I have visited many times the global fair in Vietnam. Last year also I present here. I'm a regular visitor here.
This is my first time at your event. I've been to other exhibitions before, and this one is very high quality.
So far it's been a feast for the eyes.
I feel that the fair present very well, many type, many variety of the products.
It's a really good atmosphere. I really enjoyed the space, for sure.
The main reason is to see if I can find some backup suppliers.
For us, the challenge is that we do not know how to get to the right potential supplier in that country.
Of course we care about the price, but sometimes when they promise us the cheapest price and highest quality, it doesn't work.
I'm planning to change my packaging, and maybe I have to choose from here in the Vietnam.
So far my sourcing comes from China, Pakistan and India, but I just want to expand that over to Vietnam as well to see what's available.
I think it's just the high quality because of the capability of the people. The people are extremely skilled here, and the work ethic is extremely high.
I heard good stories also from my friends with their own businesses overseas, and I think Vietnam has always high standard, fair prices and good relationships.
I was looking for more finished products, and we ended up finding all the way down to the baseline manufacturer of good connections that can help us develop much more than I had in mind.
The sourcing here in Vietnam, I don't find a challenge because when I've entered and visited this morning in your here, I felt easier to interact people and also the business owners here.
So coming to the fair make us have a very quick idea what the country can offer or who is the main supplier in that product. So we can meet directly, see their sample, see their product reference and connect to the right decision maker of the company.
One of the supplier from China that we talked to, they can sell diffuser, which we've never heard before. Also, we've met some from Indonesia. They create plastic and like leather from mushroom and seaweed, and it's really amazing.
You guys are very good at connecting the supplier with the customer, as well as providing logistical support.
So again, it has opened my eyes that Vietnam actually has really good products, really good quality, and the factories here are willing to work with you. So
This is my favorite destination. Yeah, we have a wide variety of options to choose the seller.